Hi everyone, welcome back. So Leetcode daily question today is split linked list in parts. We are given the head of a single linked list and an integer k. We have to split the linked list into k consecutive linked list parts. The length of each part should be as equal as possible. No two parts should have size differing by more than 1. This may lead to some parts being null. The parts should be in order of the occurrence in the input list. Parts occurring earlier should always have a size greater than or equal to parts occurring later. So we have to return an array of k parts. So this is the linked list. We have to divide it into 5 parts. So 1, 1, 1 each, then 2 null. So none is differing by more than 1, and the big starting parts have more length than the later parts. So how shall we do this? This is a very interesting question. We have done something similar earlier where we had to fill the array. So how shall we do this? First of all, to divide the linked list into k parts, we need to know the length of the linked list. So we have created a list of integers. We have converted our linked list into an array list by storing all the values. And we also get to know the size using this array list.size. So while head is not equal to null, we keep on adding the values to our list. Head keeps moving next, and after this loop we will be having our linked list in an array list. Now we know we need to have a list node answer, which will be having k linked lists, k parts. Now the question comes how to split it. So to split it, whatever the length of linked list is, we have to split it into k parts. So each part will be having how many nodes? Length of linked list divided by k, right? These nodes will definitely be there. Now there shall be some remainder, and those remainder nodes will be having that many nodes will be having one extra, right, to balance it. So the same thing we have to do. We have created a list node answer which will be having k parts. Now we know the size, that is L dot size divided by k. This as size, every part will be having these many as nodes. We have created a variable index to get the node from our array list, which node we are on. Now we have to do this work for k parts. So our first loop is from 0 to k. Now for each part we have to create a new linked list. We can create a new linked list. We have created a dummy head, which is initially list node 0. Now we have created a tail pointer which points to head first. Now for each part we will definitely be having s nodes. So for 0 to s we have put a loop. We are getting each node from our array list and increasing its index, storing it in n, and then adding it to our tail new list that we have created. So each node we are taking from the array list, storing it in our newly created array list, and tail will move forward. So now we have newly created linked list. Now after that, what we have to check, for the remainder number of nodes we will be having one extra, and we will be having greater nodes only in the starting nodes. So while I is less than L dot size mod k means the remainder number of, if I is less than the remainder, means that this linked list will be having one extra node. So we have taken one extra node and again added it to our linked list. Tail dot next is equal to n, and tail moves forward. So after that, what we have to do, we just have to store this part in our answer list. So our answer list is equal to head was dummy. So in actual linked list is in head dot next. So head dot next we have stored in our array I. So this way we shall be dividing our linked list, and each part shall be stored in our answer. At last we have to return the answers. So this was the simple solution. So that was the trick where we had to divide. So first we take the quotient will definitely be there, and the remainder number of parts will be having one extra. So that trick we used to solve this question. I hope you guys would have got the approach. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.